All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day two, a sea day here on board the Disney Magic. It's time to get this day started.
Yes.
Still early. Sun's not even up yet. It's a little gray outside, but we're awake. And Tiffany needs coffee. You need coffee?
I need coffee.
All right. So let's get this day started and go get some coffee. All right. So we're up here on deck number 9, and this is where you come. This is the beverage station on the ship. But this is where you come and you get your hot chocolate, your milk, your coffee, and all of your fountain drinks. Just so you can see which ones are included. It's Coke products. They have, a pomegranate water, a lemonade. You get a couple teas, ginger ale, Sprite. But all of these items are included in the cruise. And Tiffany's over here getting her coffee. Alrighty, time to the buffet. Time to head into the buffet. Have ourselves a little bit of breakfast. They got automatic doors here, so you got to go over here and push this little button. And they slowly open up. Then you got to hit the hand washy station. Yes. Those are Cajun. Some Cajun roasted potatoes. Oh, here we go. We found the bacon.
Some grilled marinated tofu.
No, I think I'm gonna hold off on the tofu this morning. They got some buttered kale for breakfast. Some grilled tofu, baked beans, sauteed mushrooms, grilled tomatoes. Oh, they got eggs Benedict. Will Tiffany get any eggs Benedict today? She will. The magical Mickey waffles. You gotta have magical Mickey waffles. Do you need magical Mickey waffles?
Unfortunately, I still don't like waffles.
Caramel sauce, strawberry, chocolate. All right, so you can get all kinds of toppings for your Mickey waffles if you need them. They got toast. They got ham and cheese. I think I'm going to try a ham and cheese quiche. They got biscuits and gravy. They got steak and eggs, croissants, multigrain croissants. You got assorted danishes and assorted donuts. They have pound cakes. Then they have assorted deli items. Then they have fresh fruits, assorted cereals. All right, so we ended up with some fruit. Just a weird assortment of things, but of course I have my Mickey waffles because I got to have my Mickey waffles. Some quiche, some potatoes, a random donut, and everything Tiffany got over there. And then my morning monster. They brought me a nice cup of ice for that, so all set?
All set.
All right, let's eat some breakfast. All right, so this is Tiffany's attempt to mess with the room steward today. This is supposed to be a lobster. Baby, I think maybe some more towel animal folding classes might be helpful.
Maybe.
But I mean,
I'm having fun with the room steward.
I mean, what do you guys think? Does it look like a lobster at all? I guess kinda. Yeah. I think we need more practice. By me, I mean you. But she does have her book.
Although we're using a carnival towel animal Disney cruise line.
All right, so we are headed for, what is it? O'Gill's Pub. Here's Fathoms. So we're headed down to do some origami and then some Disney trivia.
Yes.
Is your mic even on?
No.
Tiffany does not like to remember to turn her mic on at all.
Okay, it's on.
Oh, now it's on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so there's the keys, but that's not what we're looking for. Whoop. There's what we're looking for. You ready for some origami?
Yes.
Is your mic on?
I don't know. Yes.
Okay. All right, so we're down here for some origami and then some kind of trivia. Is it Disney music trivia? Disney tunes trivia? Some kind of Disney trivia we're down here for this morning. We're not sure which one. But first, we're going to learn to fold paper. Hopefully, it's not like your towel animals.
You know what? I'm trying.
Yes, you are. You're doing a great job. Doing a great job.
Just because the room steward's fixing it for us.
All right, so we got our paper. She says I got Donald Duck colors, but I got some blues and a yellow. What'd you get, baby?
Pink, green, and green.
It says we're making some kind of origami structure here. We'll have to figure it out.
Do the folds. It's not too difficult, but also it's good with the box because you do the same structure.
Does this make you want to run home and fold all the paper in the house?
No.
All right, my box looks like a boat. All right, it's supposed to be a box. Mine more looks like one of those containers, and maybe they should put French fries in it. What do you think, baby? Mine looks like a fry container.
Yours looks like a basket.
Oh, I made a basket.
It's all in the art of folding.
Now you got to do one on your own.
So origami is complete. I have a boat, and now I can go home and leave boats all over the house for Tiffany.
I'm not worried. He won't remember how to do it.
I will remember how to do it. Maybe. Probably not. She's right. We'll never see another boat again. All right, so Tiffany has made it to the shops, and she is shopping, where they have all of your everything Disney, except for ship models. They don't have ship models. Get more Disney stuff on this side. Thinking about maybe using this as a ship model, as a replacement for the ship model. What do you think, baby?
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good
Hello.
morning.
All right, so I think we're gonna do shawarma for lunch. They got beef and lamb, and they got chicken, and they got all kinds of toppings to go on top of them here. So I think we're gonna do shawarma for lunch. You gonna do shawarma for lunch? Yeah. All right, so we got some chicken shawarma. I got mine with coleslaw. Tiffany got hers with lettuce and some kind of sauce, but I'm not exactly sure what she got. She went off to get us something to drink. All right, tonight is formal night. We're going to eat at Lumiere's.
Yes. French
Lumiere's
night,
too.
too.
Yeah, not real fan of French night, but it's formal night, and as you can see, Tiffany has made me actually put on a shirt and a tie and look decent. I was forced. I protested and I lost that protest. But we're heading down to Lumiere's and we're going to go have dinner. And then we're off to the show after that. All right, so tonight we have little bitty bunny rabbits. 2 little bitty bunny rabbits. This was the room steward's answer to Tiffany and her lobster over there. He's looking more like a beach sea turtle now, but yeah, Tiffany's lobster got answered to with 2 of the littlest bunny rabbit towel animals I've ever seen. And an extra piece of chocolate.
Yes.
She got extra chocolate for a participation trophy. Now, dinner is over. We did go down to Luminere's. Had a really great dinner. But we learned a couple things. So apparently here on Disney Cruise Lines, formal night is now optional. So we got dressed up. We went down there, and there were still people in there in t-shirts with no sleeves, shorts, everything like that. Stuff you would not expect to see in the dining room, not on a formal night. Well, it turns out Disney's is now optional. So you can still go to the dining room and not participate in formal night. And they said it's just something they've been doing down in the Caribbean, across all the ships down here. Said in Europe, they still dress up, but here in the U.S., they're kind of doing away with it, and I guess it's kind of going away. So if you got an upcoming Disney cruise and you don't want to dress up, you don't have to, apparently. But now we're going to head down and see Tangled, the Broadway production of Tangled. No recording in there, of course, so won't have any film or pictures or anything like that, but we'll still see what else we can see for tonight. All right, another day is complete here on board the Disney Magic. What'd you think of Tangled?
I liked it.
Yeah,
They didn't have Pascal, but they had Maximus.
They did. The horse was good.
Yes, he was.
And what was the mom's name?
Mother Gothel.
Yeah, the actress that played Mother Gothel. She did a really good job.
Yes, she did.
Where she was oozing evil. It was great. Like I said, we couldn't record anything in it, but it was a really good show. Really, really enjoyed it. And now we're back in the cabin, and I think it's time to go to bed.
Yes.
Tomorrow we're going to be in Progresso, so we will catch up with everybody tomorrow in Progresso. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to do so, helps our channel grow, and let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone has a really great day.
And as always, we'll see you out on the high seas.
Good night, everybody.